You're looking at a sentiment score of -0.22 and a momentum of -0.78 in the defense sector, a notable dip that deviates from our historical baseline. This negative sentiment suggests a significant shift in public perception, possibly driven by recent geopolitical events or policy changes. Our API returns comprehensive insights, including detailed sentiment scores and momentum trends, helping you understand the dynamics behind these shifts. Imagine integrating this data into your trading strategies, automatically adjusting your positions based on sentiment trends to capture emerging opportunities or mitigate risks. Want to dive deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. This data is fresh, and so are the insights you can generate from it.